Alright guys, I'm using Cloud Code, and with Fable 5 I'm really pushing it before my time is up, and I have 3 terminals, each one using Fable 5. You can see there, and pushing the most difficult problems to it. So at Fable 5 I push things like importing of an ERP, Idempier and Odoo, into out of the box. If I will show you, this is out of the box, and you can see how much I've done. Okay, it's very advanced, and I have made it, force it to write as much as possible documentation, and I force it now to do the ERP side. It was doing under Opus, okay, so it was doing well, and but with Fable suddenly coming on, let's see if I can get history. See, I can now use the full power to do more complex things. Okay, among the complex things is making it fix not little things like this one, but big issues like not this one. This is just to show you what I've managed to do so far on SQLite Wasm, which is not easy for BIM or ERP. So this session, it looks at what the importer was doing under Opus, and it discovered things like storage is disjoint, operation lock never cross. Operation lock is the SQLite legacy, the strength. Design code history. I wanted to look at the history lane just now. Okay, this history lane, you really got to appreciate it. Let me show it to you again. So you press the Z, you see, you can, when you do things, press the X. If I were to cut, it's supposed to record it. Let me refresh. This is another thing about the browser. I get SQLite, make it super fast and super nice, okay, and I can make things like this and make it fly with shortcut keys, with sound effect, with full screen. This was done in Opus days, alright? This was done in Opus days, and it's not working, this thing. So things break as we go on. Things break, and let me see if this thing broke. No, this is fine. So let me do this. So this is fine. This seems to be okay. One thing is, it's supposed to give me history. It's not. I have the world history, so from here I can go over hold to the ERP site. You see, this is the ERP site. Let me go to sale order. Here you are. Yeah, you go to sales order. So these cross-tab capabilities is achieved with SQLite, Opus 4.8, but now I'm using Fable 5 to, I found it gains speed. I was able to, I'll say 3-4 times faster, less errors, less drifting. So chasing the clock here, I'm trying to, I have 1 hour more, and let me just burst it, because it'll be a waste if I still have some percentage left. So on this second one, I'm asking to put the point of sale, right? Point of sale and coverage. What else is doing? Let me look at its original prompt. I have a lot of guardrails, point of sale, and also the warehousing which is fantastic. I made a point of sale on it too. So you just go here, you see a shopping cart. Yeah. Oh, still not the concept I want. Look, it's not even working. This is really heartbreaking. All right, what is it doing here? Oh, I see. New product. Yeah, it can take. Hi. So that's me here. Let me get out. That was unexpected. So it's really working. Okay. So this is supposed to float, and then in a mobile, but not supposed to float this. But okay, it's fine. So in mobile, you have pictures, and you can have. You see, like where's the elm tree, a bush, T-shirt, holly bush, where metal. So in the phone, where it's rather slim. Let me close other things. Okay, where is? Oops. Where am I? Am I here? Okay, this me. There's another one, warehouse. So the whole idea is when you have a mobile, mobile will look like this. So you have this up there, so you can scroll your products. They're supposed to have images, so you can have, see, you go like that, and you can make it. Oh, I'm supposed to scan, type barcode and scan, and oh yeah, that's the barcode scanner. It's all I asked for it, and it could do. Specs were done by Fable 5, and the code itself I asked who did I ask? I asked Sonnet to do it. So the combination. But now that I have lots of time, see, it's not finishing. I have about an hour to go. So okay, let me show you that it could also do the warehousing. Oh, how do I get it out? It has a replenishment, so it is stuck. It is stuck often, or do I then call it back? But no. What is this? Or so often here. Oh, you could get products this way too. Anyway, let me put it aside first, but I want to show you the warehouse. There's no good aircon. So the warehousing is where it goes into a warehouse. It's broken also. Something broke here. It is going to. Alright, I'll sort it out. It's supposed to go to the warehouse, as you see in the other picture, where you can scan and you walk through a warehouse. So this is mirroring, sort of integrating Spatial ERP or BIM with the other stuff. So let me show you other things that I could do, where the history, as you see here, it could go back, and again the world history. Here, I can go back to the building, supposedly. Where's the building here? Sample Castle. Oh, it's not going back, but I can call it from here. Let's say I want to go back to the Sample Castle. So it's not working. It's working through the URL. What I mean by URL is that wherever you are, you can share it. And this is the power of SQLite. And this require AI web programming to help. So on this third one, I'm doing my Ninja ERP. Ninja ERP, okay, I need to give you a command and stop here. What's next? Next step in the lane is at 12%. Next lane, make proceed. Let's see. Okay, I've not read, and that's the problem using AI, is that you have to stop and read what it's doing. But here I'm just playing high-speed chess. I assume that it got everything correct. You can see the quality here. This is also Fable 5. Yeah, You see, I'm using Fable 5 all the way. I see this is the type of prompting I'll do. Study the project in the specs prompt. I really use heavily specs and prompt, and it was my vision, which is to take an Excel and make it into your reporting UI format, and it could study it, find it, well, code talking to code. So all firing away, all on all barrels, firing on all cylinders here. Oh, this is a stop, skip. But what is this question? Always read the last part. One test hunters got your watch knowing ERP with the server roots. Okay, have to be speed reader on the first run. It now serves common. The pattern is there for future that needs to be. What was he supposed to do? I forgot. Consistent finish. Prompt. Has he done? Skip. Ship. Yes, ship everything. Test. Witness. Come on, I need to give it something to do because it still has. Oh, what's this opening? Why was it opening? Yeah, it's to open. So is the history there? Is the okay? Anyway, let me show you that. Let me show you nice. Since we are here, let me show you. I have the time machine. Do you know they have the time machine? Okay. Okay, so this was done with most of Opus helping me. But if I have to apply Fable to it, I think it can do fantastic things. Okay. So okay. Yeah, this. Oh, the sun effect. Okay. So I think it will do more fantastic things if I can. The sunset was here. If I could get it to use Fable 5 instead. Where's the shadow? Where's the shadow? The shadow was here. That's it. So okay, guys. I'm still chasing my clock, and time moves very fast. Okay, so I use Claude. Okay, 95. Okay, this is gonna hit soon. This will hit before this hit, so I probably waste 4% here because it is this culprit, this 5 hour. She's taking another 3 hours, so I'm gonna have about 3.25 hour break. And this way I start read up, or I do stuff like let me show you what else I've got. Okay, this is my ERP system. And I can do edit. Yeah, see. Okay, it's columns, rules, history. So this kind of idea of imagination that I have is what I asked it to do, and it could do it quite well. Is it doing it? Okay. What is this? Okay, it goes back. Sound effect. No, there's no sound. So full screen, reset. Okay, untangle. I can share it. No, it's doing things wrongly. It's not share. So it's supposed to be show me. Yeah, and it show me and help and next and things like that. It's a record. So that's basically, and I'm hitting the 95. So it will go in about, I'll say 10 minutes. So I've got this in. Oh, this finish. That's bad. If they stop, that's bad. I got to get them back. What's it doing? Glance card. Say the word. I edit. Say the word. Yes, go. Come on, go. What am I chasing for? I still have time, so I got 3 hours, and yeah. So now I'll read it. So basically, this is it. You want to watch it hit You want to stay around? Let me hit it. So 95, whoa, not bad. What is supposed to do here? I can't read and talk at the same time. Witnesses, Tersanas, common sibling for future. What did it do? How's the ninja going? Okay, ninja is still on. And this is supposed to be importing other ERP, but I'll show you what it does. Let me close here stuff. What it does is that it can import other ERP. Okay, look here. You can import your ERP, install. You follow this. Go back. Idempia is the model we are following, so no problem. I haven't tried this. I've never really tried it. It's supposed to look and become client 13. I see. And this is 12. Let's see. I've never really done this actually. I just prepared, but I've never really done this. Anyway, it's supposed to be 12 entity because we're client 11. So if that's the case, and then we're supposed to migrate the data. Yeah, here we're supposed to migrate data. Let's migrate Ampere. Okay, next. Download micro agent. Yeah, if you are user, I'm basically the creator, so it did not really arise. Let me migrate Udo. Migrate Udo. Download. Already done that. Run it natively. I'm back. But if it is already migrated, I should be able to see. I suppose I see client. So okay, I'll figure that out. Okay then, guys. Let me check. Needle has not moved. Okay, we are almost hitting it now. So this, guys, is sort of all the excitement worldwide about Fable 5. Yeah, it's good. I watched the pundits, I watched the review. Here's the proof of it. But this is a long journey. What you've seen here is a long journey. Okay, you can even drop IFC and do this. Basically kick out Bonsai and Blender, while trying to kill Autodesk. And it could do things really like this, which is really fantastic, I will tell you. Okay, so see, it's really great. And so okay, so I'll thank Opus for, I'll say Cloud Code is really like magic. Cloud Code is the real magic here. And for it to have Fable, basically what I did was, as you see, with the point of sale coming on, it prepare all the specs like here. It does it with lots of agent. Maybe it's not that high, I would say, but really there is less hallucination, I must say. It was very frustrating. Now it drift. I hardly scold it or swear at it. The last few days I was swearing almost every day. Really. I need anger management with Cloud, but it really triggered me the way it gave nonsense. Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost to shut down Cloud. Cloud is going to go blind now. It's 99. So that's it. Once it's hit there, it's goodbye, guys. Okay. Look at what it does. Okay, my discipline is that I must make it right documentation. As you can see, the documentation is very important. Okay, proving, theory, and I've links, footnotes, everything. I make it seriously open source, and I put it MIT license. Okay, this is my project. All right, so where am I? Oh, am I here? Okay, where's my repo? My projects? I don't even know my way around. Oh, it's supposed to be here. I don't even know my way around, I can tell you. Because, yeah, because of the vibe programming. So I made it do all these things. Now and then when I come here, I have 4 decades of experience in computer in and out, but the last 2 decades seriously in ERP. Yeah, I am grade 1. I was the founding leader of Ampere. That's the past. Nothing good to shout about. So Claude is my partner now. Okay, MIT license. So you can see very heavy. I have 3 fork and 1 star. Not bad after a month too. Okay, I think it's hitting. Oh, it's not hitting. Guys, it's not hitting 100%. Gee, can I make it do something to hit it? One remaining step, browser build. Okay, go ahead. So I say go ahead. That's the beam deploy lane. Best fired against the deploy ERP page. I don't know. Connections is very important. What is this really doing? Snap and sell. Yeah, I says that the cache panel. Okay, the cache panel pop up. It's cool. Whole design is what I wanted. But that panel, there's no close button, or does not dispose when the shopping cart does so. What about the underlying process of closing the sales and the warehouse? Did it work? Does not seem to have the DB right. You know that the URL. DB right. You know that we moved DB building to GH now. Okay, let's have something for it to do. Okay, I hit the limit. That's it, guys. We hit it, and I have to wait 3 hours 30 minutes. And this was a 4-day free, because when they announced Fable 5, it was about 3 days ago, so they renewed this week. I was about at 80%, and it gave me a warm-up 96% with the Fable. And when it is stopping on June 22nd, yeah, I think, I do not know. I finish it off always with 3 hours break, so, but it's good. If I have 10 more days, imagine what I'll do. Really conquer the world, master the universe. Okay then, see you guys up there again. Bye bye.